Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks, are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about technological advancement.
Hi. Hello. Are you a tech and gadget lover? Yes, I am. I love shopping for new gadgets. What is an important technological advancement you know? That's the emergence of online payment systems, like credit cards, or PayPal, thanks to the development of the internet, I think. What do you use it for? I use these services to do shopping online. Now I can book flight tickets in advance, without the need to go to the agency. How long have you been using it? I've been using these services for around 3 years. Does it make your life easier? Sure. It's fast, simple and convenient. How did it change your life? Well, I can enjoy my life more. I can do plenty of things online like shopping, transferring money, booking tickets, and so on. How often do you use it? At least once a week. What are other technological advancements, you know? There are many: electricity, smartphone, the internet, robot, and so on.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about technological advancement. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.